Alrighty, quick update from Bite Size Farms. Where did we end up with the fodder trays, right? Well, quick recap from last time. Fodder trays are for feeding the birds. Black seed goes a long way, turns the volume from just the seed to the plant, and they love it. Gives them all the fortified vitamins, minerals, maybe not all, but a lot of them. How do we turn this into something easy that isn't a new full-time job? Before when I started, I've learned that using natural peat moss, let's see if that's a better view, as just a small layer and then a handful, worked the best. Moved to holes in the lid to see how that went. For the small stuff, not so good. Flooded them out, washed them out, really stunted the growth. Older ones, no problem. What I've found is these lids with holes in the bottom and each of the four corners, right? Holes in the bottom and each four corners. When the lid is full, the peat moss will lap up into the water. So what it's become now is instead of having to open each up, water it down, close it, rotate it, right? Which, as you can see, took a little while. Now all I have to do is once a day or every other day, take the bottom, move it to the top, and then put water in these sections and fill up the lid so that the lid's holding water, and for the next few days will lap up in. So we turned a management job of about maybe 20 minutes to a half hour to something really 5 to 7 minutes. So there you go, natural peat moss. You can use this method for the more mature. I would stick with this. I had extra lids with holes, so I got to put them to use. And no mildew problems or anything like that. So there you go. Enjoy.